Hello, welcome to my channel, Caterpillar Dunhang. Hello, madlang people. Hello, everyone, and God bless us all, and keep us safe all the time. Okay, again, I make this video to say thank you to all of you, and then continuously supporting my channel, Caterpillar Dunhang. My channel now is being monetized. Okay, so at this moment, I would like to share. I have a friend. She's a very special friend. She's the one who helped why I'm here right now, and then why my video is being monetized. Just contact her. His YouTube channel, and her messenger. Okay, contact her and then ask about what do you need. Okay, maybe she's the one who can help you regarding about your YouTube. Okay, so at this time, at this moment, I would like to share regarding about the merge divider. What is the special function on the Komatsu machine excavator? Okay, this excavator is a PC400, so I would like to share the special function of that merge divider and some function of the solenoid that attach at the rear side of the control valve. Okay, just follow me this video how I show to all of you about the special function of the solenoid. Okay, now I would like to tell to anyone, I found a technique also. Once that you press the travel motor, the merge divider will be individually function. Hindi pa eh. As you can see, I let the back horn only making sound, and then after that, so you can see, we are now looking the pressure of the front pump. The boom up, it is controlled by the front pump. Okay, so you can see the pressure. That's a normal. Now we replace a new main relief valve, so that is the normal now. 362. Okay, so you can see when I use the arm, so you can see the pressure. See, it will become missing because this arm is controlled by rear pump. That arm. Okay. Okay, about the bucket. Bucket also. So you can see right now. Okay. Full open of the bucket. It is also drive by front pump. As you can see. Okay, it is a bucket control. So you can see the pressure of the main pump. Okay. And then the swing also drive by front pump. No, sorry, it is my mistake. This also drive by swing. It is drive by rear pump. Okay. But if I let the pedal, huh? If I let the pedal or the travel pedal, it is in neutral. As you can see, the pressure will be run together. But I press little, as you can see. Okay. Okay. Now I functional swing, but I press the pedal, so it become free. Meaning to say the merge divider is working well, and then the pump, front pump is in a good pressure. So based on the requirements, this is the rear pump. Okay, the rear pump was function for swing. Okay, swing, arm, for close, arm, and right travel. Okay, now this is the rear pump, and then I press the merge divider control by through travel pedal. Okay. Mas mataas ng konti yung pressure niya. Okay, it is a little bit up, but it is okay compared to the new one. I think it is okay. It is nothing. It is not can cause of a big problem. So that means, so I'm also functioning the travel, swing, and right travel. Okay, this is a swing. That for now, the both pump will be joined together. Lock yung swing niya? Nakalak na. So once I press the travel, so you can see, now I'm going to function the boom up. So you can see, boom up, the pressure is joined together by the two pumps. But when I press the pedal, so you can see the pedal, the pressure will be gone. Only one pump is showing on the rear pump only. Okay. Okay na. Okay na yung pressure. Ngayon, kailangan lang natin. Now the pressure, both pump is good. Now, this is the PPC lock. PPC lock, travel junction, and merge divider. This is the important. This is one who divided the function of pump to separate on the main control valve. Okay. And so for everyone who do not know about the function of both solenoid, so this is the first PPC lock. This is the solenoid. When you switch on the inside the operator's cab, this is the PPC lock to open up the supply of pilot to operate the machine. And then the second, it is a travel, but leave it about this. So this is the secondary function. Okay, it is also important, but you should have to make it sure that the pressure will be drive normally. Hindi kaya problema rin tong hose na to. Okay, so this is the merge divider. This is the very important function for this machine, and two stage. Okay.